Hey guys, Troy here. Welcome to the Striker Blade YouTube channel. Today we are looking at possibly my favorite graphics card from this generation. This is Gigabyte's low profile RTX 4060 graphics card, and I have to say this is one of the coolest cards ever released in my opinion. So what makes this card so special is it's a low profile card, and it really pushes the low profile performance forward. So low profile cards have typically been limited to entry-level SKUs, so 50 class from NVIDIA, 400 class from AMD, and this is a full 60 series card. And you can argue where the 60 series class lines up in NVIDIA's current product range, but the reality is this is the same silicon, same power consumption as any other 4060. It's just in this tiny, awesome little GPU. So it's a low profile card. They had to redesign the cooler and the PCB to handle the 115 watts, I believe, power draw of the 4060. So you can see an 8-pin connector there at the back. And of course, that beefy dual slot cooler with the triple fans to dissipate all of that heat. The cooler itself works really well. I am not going over any performance data or gaming benchmarks since I don't have all the parts that I want for my build or my next build just yet, but I have connected it to my system and ran a few benchmarks just to kind of get some heat into it, play a few games, but my current system has an older CPU, so I'm not really going to dive into performance too much, but thermals are pretty good. In most gaming scenarios, it's less than 75C. It runs pretty cool. It can get hot if your case is more constricted or in longer gaming sessions. And sound-wise, the fans are not that loud. It's noticeable, but it's not silent either. It's pretty quiet at low fan speed, but definitely not loud even at 100%. So that's everything that I'm going to cover in this video. Just a quick rundown and unboxing, and I will see you guys next time.